right, people, I don't have my camera with me, so I'm using the GoPro, and there's no microphone on it either, so I'm talking a little loud. Check out this vehicle. It's a Raptor, and I was a little busy, so I didn't get the beginning of them tearing this thing down. But I had to make the video because, oh my goodness, this thing is beat up. Look at the cable, how dirty it is. Look at this. Look at how they put the 2 amps together. Oh, look at how they did this, man. They put 2 power wires connected to 1 input of the amp. Pieces snaps. This thing is not an epicenter. This is junk. I mean, it's not junk for the price, but it's not good. I don't know why you would ever do this to a Raptor. Look at this. Check out this. JC power wire. Get out of here. Where does it go? Why does it? Probably runs all the way that way. Cheap RCAs. Oh, what is that? What did I just pull out? Oh my goodness. Well, the epicenter cable. Cool. There's a relay in there for some reason. I don't know. But we're ripping everything out and we're gonna start fresh, as we always do. Oh, look at this. They just had the tape. They just had that wire taped in there. It's probably the remote wire. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna make it pretty again. Stick with me. Time to fix the Raptor. All right, man. That Raptor is incredibly crazy. Here she goes. I had to bring the high def camera in. Look at this. The amp again. That amp is embarrassing it. And that wire over there, that shit is actually functional. It's something to do for the amp. It's a remote turn on or something. ¿Qué más? ¿Qué más? ¿Qué más? Enséñame. Oh, ya abrieron todo? I'm gonna go to the other side because this thing is embarrassing. All right, so first thing we notice, let me lower this. They got heights and lows from the, they got some heights and lows. LC, oh shit, wait, it's on LC2. It has the model number right there, LC2. Oh damn, oh it says audio control, wait. It says literally, it literally says audio control LC2 on it. No! Come on, man. And then, what else they do? RCA's everywhere. That's the speaker wire they ran. Hey, at least they loomed it up nice with the tape. This shit is not supposed to be there. Look at him go. He's just cutting shit out. Let me see their heights low. Let me see if you guys can. Cocho, look. It says audio control, high to low.
Yeah.
Here, hold it. No lo muevas. Ahí.
Mírame. Oh my God.
LC2 audio control.
Oh my God. Stop fucking lying. Junior! He's telling him right now that the high to low said audio control LC2. You like that? Junior! You like that?
That was legitness.
Yeah. What's up, baby? Hey, that was $120. So I hope you guys like that. The LC2, that's crazy. Omar's gonna finish up. We got the time lapse on the wiring situation. After that, we're gonna listen to how it sounds. If it sounds like shit still, tell the customer to buy some new product. And I think he's gonna need a new amp for sure. Because that motherfucker right there is probably an LC 1200. Look at you guys walking out with Christmas shit. I want this, bro. All right. is having some hard time taking the seat out porque no sirve su herramienta. Dile snap-on, wait, to go fix it. Pinche snap-on.
No power.
Oh, es porque es Blue Point. Oh, no. Oh, damn, you brought the impact? Estas huevos, cabrón. Oh, my God. That thing hits the frame, bro. Se pega en el frame, güey. Oh, South Spray off-road. Don't quiere que se quitan. This thing goes off-road, so they don't want it to fall off, you know? Okay, check it out. I have a feeling, right? I have a feeling that this wire won't come out because it's attached to the fucking seat. So, yeah, that's why we're removing the seat, because this cable is all the speaker wire and it will not out. So, I have a strong feeling that it's bolted to the floor or it's pinched really bad. Okay, Omar, I want to see what's in that seat. A ver qué pasa. Okay, moment of truth. No se cae, güey. Mucho armor on this motherfucker. Ahí está. De la esquina. That's cool. Look it. Okay, was it pinched? No, no estaba pinchada. Y la usaron solder. That's the only good thing he did. You saw solder? Alright, so this is a Sony amplifier from the factory. And Omar is gonna do a rewire.
Every time I need a rescue, hanging on the verge of breakdown. Even though I try to replace you, but loneliness makes me break down. Every time I need a rescue, hanging on the verge of breakdown. Waiting for a touch, you say no day.
Let me tell you what we're gonna do, Omar. First thing we're gonna do, oh, we already did the first thing. We ripped everything out. Second thing we're doing, we're finally gonna put some new stuff in here. Okay, we're gonna put an amp for bass, that one. Use the customer's same woofers. They're actually pretty nice, they're Pioneer. We're gonna do epicentro, and we're gonna connect the factory amp para atrás, like normal. Factory, no high flow, no, oh. Use his lc2. New amplifier, connect the factory amp back, and epicenter. Got it?
I got you.
I got you. Also, we want to check the speakers, so he's gonna connect the amp first. And then we'll listen to the speakers, how they sound. If they sound good, we'll leave them. If they don't, we're gonna change them out. Okay? All right, quick update on the Ford. This is all the bad cables they pulled out. Terrible shit. I'm not even gonna put that amp back. The factory one's better than that. We got an update right here. We got Omar taking care of all of the wiring for the Sony, putting it back together. Cortez is working on putting the carpet back. Running some cables, right, Cortez? Look at that, he already ran all the wires, putting that little amp in, get some new bass. It's gonna go in that little cubby. Chingon. Ooh, the box is in, which is kind of dumb design. They put the port right there in the back, and it's stupid. You already got the cables put away, Omar? ¿Cómo suenan las bocinas? Sounds good? Seriously? ¿Serio?
No sé, todavía no la escucho.
Pues checar antes que la ponen para atrás.
Tranquilo,
¿Qué pasó if the amplifier is bad?
¿Cuál amplifier?
El original. So that is already done. Okay.
that is the end of the Ford. I didn't get to get a demo of how it sounds because I'm gonna be honest, it wasn't that great of good stuff that was in there. That build was fix it. I bought it like that. They came from Mexico, had no sound. He didn't want to put a lot of money into it. He was just like, get it working for me, please. So in reality, it sounded okay. It sounded better than it came in because it didn't come in with no sound. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you with this bonus footage because I want to show you a closer look on the amp. That amp got beat up. I don't know who did surgery on that bad boy, but crazy, crazy, crazy. Nobody guessed the car that was being built today, or that was being broadcast now, right? Nobody guessed the video that I was gonna put out. So we'll try it again, see what's the next video. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. You guys are doing an amazing job. As always, peace out and thank you. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show the amp. This amp had surgery, okay? This amp had a serious surgery. And I want you guys to know that it's 2400 watts. It's 2400 watts. Okay? Oh look, the logo. Oh shit, the hell? The logo just slides off like that? Okay, it's 2400 watts. It's a falling logo amplifier, and it had surgery. Someone cut the back to put some fans so that way it can stay cool. The fragile is this? Okay, man, that's a new level.
I'm on a new level.
Get on my level. Get on my level. That is a new level.